right, so we're trying out the Cooperative Cube Collector activity. It's a bowling activity that we're using 10 pins, and the students take one shot. If they knock some pins down, they get to go collect some cubes from the cube cart. The cube cart is over here. So how many pins did you knock down?
5.
You got 5, so you get 5 cubes, and you got 5 also. How many did you get, Chai? 8, so you should make sure you count to 8. You can snap 8 cubes together. And then they'll bring their cubes and they'll bring them over to their hula hoop. Now you can see this group just grabbed them individually. That's okay, it's part of the learning. We'll stop about 5 minutes early and we'll have them try to count them and stack them into groups of 5 or 10, depending on how many we get. This group stacked some of them together. Oh, and this group's collecting a lot of pink ones. Perfect, that looks great. I like how you snapped them together. That'll make it much easier to count at the end of the game. We can count by 5s or 10s. So the bowler will roll. If they knock any pins down, they get to go and collect those cubes. If they don't knock any pins down, they just switch. So if they're not the bowler, they're down here in charge of the pins. And so they have groups of 2 or 3, and I'll let them write their names on the card so they know if it's their turn. If it's their names at the top, they're going to start as the bowler. Whoa, you got, how many fell over? I think 7. So how many cubes are you gonna get, Patrick? All right, we're gonna go get 7 cubes, hopefully. You knocked them all down. So how many pins? How many is that? Look at Jackson. What's the biggest number here on the carpet? Yeah, so there's 10 pins, so go count 10 cubes. Bring them back to your hula hoop. Not an exact science, but we're getting there. We got their names on the sheet, and that's the order that they'll bowl in. I helped them with that one. This one wanted to play in a group of 5, so they got their names on their sheet. And then they get to... Oh, I want to see your cubes. Let's go check this out. Look at all these, that's a lot. So just getting them to figure out how to take turns, right? Who goes first? Once they roll, they count up their pins, and that's how many cubes they get to take. Oh, this is looking good. Gonna get some cubes here. All right, how many? Good, how many did you get? 5, all right, so let's go collect 5 cubes. Remember, you can snap them all together if you want to. If you want to snap a group of 5 together. Pick out some of your favorite colors. How many did you get, Juliana? 4? Excellent. Snap them together, put them in your hula hoop. Call this one Cooperative Cube Collectors. Get them used to that bowling rotation of taking a turn to roll and then also setting up the pins.